What's going on, you guys? Welcome to the Pinnacle, and in this video I'm going to show you the fastest way to create a playlist. Okay, so last Saturday I posted a video that gives you an idea on how to create a playlist, but this is the fastest way to create a playlist. So if you have a song downloaded on your iTunes, I mean, if you have a song on your iTunes, okay, just one song, I mean, you download it, you bought it, whatever, so just drag the song into the pane here, and bam, see, the playlist has been created. So this was my previous playlist that I talked about on my last video. Oh no, on the video on the 17th. But this is a new playlist here. So the name of the playlist is Sean Kingston Letting Go, because I just dragged it here and created my playlist. So if you want to change the name of it, just go inside, click on it, select it, and then click again. Bam, there you go. So you can change it, like change what's the name? Playlist. That's good enough, I think. See, bam, just like that. That's one way to change a rename playlist, but also you can go here once you go inside the playlist, and that's the title here, playlist. So you're gonna click, and now you can change it over here too. So playlist. I want to name it. No, playlist one. I just have playlist one. Let's change it to playlist one. See, change. It's the name has been changed, and it just has one song. Sean Kingston Letting Go is like a high school song way back in the 2010. But I want to add more song to it, right? So there's Billy Idol White Wedding. Drag it and drop it in here, just like that playlist. So bam, it's in it. First song is Sean Kingston. Second one is Billy Idol. If you want to add more, come here. There's Aha Take on Me. Drag and drop it here. Well, you can also create another playlist here, but then I just don't want to do that, right? Drop it into this playlist one. It's in, just like that. And there's Proclaimers. I'm gonna be at the 500 miles or something, whatever. Yeah. So there you go. I've gotten 4 songs in this new playlist. So yeah, that's how you create the playlist. Create a playlist the fastest way, and rename it. I showed you 2 ways, and drag drop music into it. Easy as that. I hope it makes sense. Any question, comment, concern, let me know. And thanks so much for watching my videos, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.